voice vir hulle hoopa.
As ek stil sit en dink en reflek op my liewe, die hartseer en pyn is maar net deel van die liewe. By die week is ek 'n spark, ek laat brand die vuur. As ek praat, almal luister, even non-believers. Hoe ek myself express, is soos 'n jalse test, is soos 'n game of chess. I'm always giving my best, I'm getting better and better, soos your driving less. Can you pass the test? Yes, I did it, I guess. No worry, nothing was given, I had to fight. Take it with the odds against me, I had to make it. I'm for real about life, I see you have to fight it. That boring, basic is my life. Face it, like the time I got the case and I appeared in court. Was I ready for it? No, but I believed in God. My 21st in this yellow weekend board. Monday told like isa, now this a afterthought. Worry, fuck die chorus, my flow is contagious. Stap jou uit die pad uit as ek binne my way is. Ek doen my eie ding, you'll be waiting on favors. Dis kos vir julle bekkers, kinders stories van neighbors.